run free.
Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm going to start with ColourPop's No Filter Concealer to prep my eyelids, and then I'm just going to begin to blend that out. Next, I'm taking the Airspun Loose Powder to set the concealer. To color correct, I'm taking the Master Camo by Maybelline. And I'm going to take the Better Skin Superstay Foundation by Maybelline. And this foundation is great for oily skin. It provides a matte finish. I'm applying the NARS Soft Matte Concealer to highlight areas of my face.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side.
And I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender.
Join the army of the shadows. Going harder. We are more than numbers. Standing in the shade. Going louder. We are all.
Taking an Airspun Loose Powder, I'm just going to go ahead and set the concealer. Next, I'm using Sephora's Pantone Universal Palette for contouring. And to set the contour, I'm taking this Multitasking Powder by Becca, and I love this powder. A little bit goes a long way.
In the shade, going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way.
Moving to the eyes, I'm using the Jewels palette by CoverGirl, and I'm going to take the purple shade and use this as my transition color. Next, I'm going in with Roses palette by CoverGirl, and I'm taking this plum shimmer color and I'm going to place it on the outer corner of my lid just for a little bit more depth.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you break.
Going back into the Jewels palette, I'm taking this very pastel purple and I'm placing it on the rest of my eyelid.
What you do.
And I'm just taking a blending brush and blending everything together.
As I bleed for you, cry for you.
Moving on, I'm creating a wing with the Maybelline Master Precise Liner. And then I'm taking the Dior Show Mascara by Dior and applying it to my lashes. I'm going to take the Sephora All Over Face Powder and apply it to the rest of my face, and this is one of my favorite powders. Going back into the Jewels eyeshadow palette, I want to take the purple color and smoke out underneath my lash line just a little bit. And then I'm going to take this light gold shimmer color and place this in my inner tear duct and underneath my brow bone. Next, I'm using the Bad Gal Bane mascara for my bottom lashes.
Like a shadow dark.
Going in with this pretty light rose gold color, I'm going to highlight the high points of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, forehead, and cupid's bow. And I do like to use eyeshadow sometimes for highlighting. I'm taking the NYX Cookies and Cream lip liner to line my lips. And then I'm going to take Too Faced lipstick in the color Sunday Funday and MAC's Cremesheen Glass and place it on top of my lips. And I don't remember the name of the glass, the Cremesheen glass, but I will place it in the description box below. And that completes this purple hazy smoky eye look. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe and also like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.